Okay, hi Chris, I'm Cliff, and I'm going to talk about what I have done during the last 5 weeks. I'm keen on making interactive things because I think interaction can make people understand the title more clearly. And these 5 weeks, I tried to create works that build interaction with different objects by coding or other equipment. The spirit is never change being interactive. So begin with the big one, observation. In response to the topic, I took pictures in different places of Melbourne and tried to draw drafts about the theme. By taking pictures, drawing, and thinking, I realized how much the environment around us shapes the way I feel. For example, I live in Carlton, where there are no tall buildings near my apartment. The open sky and the low buildings make me feel relaxed. And when I walk through the CBD of Melbourne, the narrow streets and tall buildings on both sides create a feeling of pressure and urgency, much like the fast-paced crowds in the city. Similar work had been produced by Sarah Abbas, the concept of mural architecture. So that's all about the week one observation. Then I come to the week two tinkering. In response to the theme of tinkering, I chose to make a mini game from the beginning. Tinkering means making things again, and to bring some new things. So I come up with a game design mode and I use this tinkering. The first is define a fundamental mechanic. Second step is set a target for the player based on the mechanic. The third step is set obstacles in the process of achieving the target. And the first step is set different feedbacks of achieving target and encounter obstacles. A similar approach has already been explored by Evans in his game Animal Wild. Then come to the week 3, found objects. In response to the theme of found objects, I made a point and click interactive game in which players can use mouse to change the scene and consider the meaning of a whole in different contexts. By thinking about what a whole will be in different places and making a concept of the game, I try to express such an idea. A basic and simple object can transform into entirely different things when placed in different contexts. And similar work has been produced by Carl Andre, whose work Equivalent 8 explores the same theme by placing a set of bricks in a gallery instead of construction site. Then go to the first week, discussion of place. In response to the theme of discussion of place, I filmed a little horror video at home by my phone. By conceptualizing and filming this video, I aimed to tell a story entirely through the place, rather than characters or other things. No person or character appears in the video, only a constantly changing scene. Similar work has been produced by Hideo Kojima in his horror game PT. And come to the last week, week 5. The main theme is 000. In response to the theme of 000, I made a mini game about how a planet moving on its orbit in the planetary system. By designing and creating this mini game, I explored the key ideas of 000, designing based on objects rather than conceptualizing from a human-centered perspective. Similar work has been done by Capcom in the Monster Hunter series. Capcom tried to make a monster ecosystem that have no place for humans or hunters or other things. And the conclusion? After reviewing the creative projects from the past 5 weeks, I like the week 4 most. is about the discussion of place. While discussing my roommate with how to shoot a horror video, I tried to think about what should I do to change the scenes to tell a story. This video should usually easily be used as a demo for a horror game scene. And I will try to make some 3D adventure game. The story is developed. I will try to use different elements in the environment and place, such as visual assets, lighting, and sound effects to tell a story. And I think week 4 trying will help me in the future. That's all. Thanks.